Sir, nung tini je Facebook post khaimani
Hmm.
kaisa nung khoroksa titi edition elected edition mongo je post khaimani al jaga negligence khaijaga ham hairi se khaimani uddesho tamni bagai nung o post khaina langa sir.
Khulumkar uddesho je angsimani bono titi edc ni elected MDC hnai samania fiaba sarahayung gedalino saimano tini sarahayung ni je International Day for World Indigenous Peoples Day ni celebration in order to honor the midwives tarmane ও যে পারাও আগে বই serai banani somoyo je asubana yogno amno no midwives haga amni closes ka hankai je health workers ro tabu nurse panungka jes panungka women representation is very important haga tabu jeng indigenous day hankai bomno indigenous hunjak culture bai je krungjak firstly environment bai je tongnai rokno tai sini culture dressed by sini household items material culture sini folklore folk tales sini kok samani seinai kereng mosanai kereng folk dancers folk singers all this comprises of indigenous lifestyle and nature fiaba tini ang nungmani nga ko omahaisi o jagao je Rajeshwar Debroma ni je convener shibo am haikai honor khaijamaro bunuglia fiaba omo kaisa TTADC by sponsor khaijak program nei ang khnawo hanka omo to byaktigoto ni whimsical idea by khainya indigenous community saboba tini o jaga sengtam nukha only elected representative rogno boro besilbak ajaga importance ri tangi thango fiaba society consists of writers journalists filmmakers indigenous singer indigenous dancer wa kereng sei kereng ritaknai kereng e am herongno bu honor nani tongmani nukha kisa masa rutsowo je jasu independence dewo staging the independence duinai kaisa koisu dance khaima bai obokha sung om high lifestyle jodi follow khainga kai the real celebration of indigenous day omo meaningless ngai thang om hai salo sung baiga khailai ka chaiman khamo ani wana mani gang ka om hai se nini age sung TSF khaipuro ongthang ba je kuno movement khaimon ongthang sung onek boro rok sung gadalja fiaba this time o jaga wo baiga khaika in a short span of time amo hotspots ka khaijaginai amo ngai thangka fiaba o jaga wo nugya je khoroksa seikreng khoroksa rasamnai kreng ba khoroksa scholar writer am hairokno je honor imani bu nugjagya parani tubuinai je kaise musician ba je musical instrument of practice khai tongnai am hairokno bu honor imani nugjagya tai o jaga wo je midwives ni je khaimani a concept amrokno bu debate khaya lama himlai hai masalai nai sorkani rang lakh lakh spend khaima bai tongya ko om hairokno public ta younger generation boys yuiti sanana nai যে কোনো সোসাইটি যদি সে একাডেমিশিয়ানস তাই আর্টিস্ট তাই ফিল্মমেকার্স তাই হ্যান্ডিক্রাফট এক্সপার্টস তাই অমহাইরনো जों रिया हंखाय द होल कन्सेप्ट ऑफ इंडिजिनियस कम्युनिटी नो नों सेलिब्रेट खाइमानि ता मिनिं खाबा आमनि साइबो दङ जे ट्रेडिशनल हिलार र असाइ खाइ तंनाय र मताइ खाइनाय kreng र अमहाइरखि सालायनाय जोंबा जों सासा खाइनाय आसक लाख लाख रां टाका खरसा खाइमानि बायबा काइसे पाब्लिकेशन काइसे प्रोडक्शन आमहाइरख खाइमानो फियाबा तिनि आमनि बिसिङो दङ जे ताबुक तो सोसाइटी चेन्ज नि थांका सोशल मीडिया नि जुग ओ जागावो कक बरक ताइ वर्नाकुलर लैंग्वेज ताइ इंडिजिनियस लैंग्वेज न तयै मीडिया तै एक्टिविज्म खाइ तंनाय दङ इंक्लूडिंग नरो हाइ मीडिया रनबो तिनी खरकसा मीडिया जे जाति न तयै इंडिजिनियस इश्यूज न तैनाय मीडिया एक्टिविस्ट रगनो खरकसा न फन 5 टाकानि कलम दरे जाखा रजागिया के साबनि बागै तिनी ओ प्रोग्राम खाइका साबनो बा खागिया बो आमति इंखा आजागा वो आं सुनिल कलय आजागा मानजाननि आमनि कगिया जों we are indigenous activists नगो तंगै बु जों every day जों we are involved with the environment indigenous activism documentation, writing by chang among itong. Piaba, as a symbolic representation, nang job je zaga nang, mana government fund by bu nang politicians rong nang honor khaika, ba nang politicians rong no azaga rihin ka, nang society ba sudu one pillar of democracy by niabla. Society wo democracy wo tongo 4 to 5 pillars of democracy. And fifth pillar of democracy ngaka people's ni voice ni je movement. Omro buchi ni rights tong. Ngaka o jaga wo na ang sanamu su tabo je organize khainai. Jahotu honorable MDC Rajeshwar bo o jaga khaika ba a jaga wo bono ang masaka haise. Ngaka omo bo je khaimane omo je jotono include khaya barin khaya amo jodi mistake ngaka next time correct ma khainai. But om haika just defensive ha jotono call khaika aku kha defensive mechanism by engya serai joto lukurok nogoi tongo serai khnai rok nogoi tongo o jagao tini o jagao bomhai bororok participate khai tai bomhai bororok exclude ngi tong khoroksa other than politicians nor a jaga dai sutru nukha doctor phan ngi mangkhamo engineer phan ngi mangkhamo kaisa film director tab sorodriang songai phan ngi mangkhamo media professionals of bang mangkhamo chini bisingo si tongo social activists internationally renowned dara Anthony Songhairo borno phan sumugi mangkhamo phiawa nugia just because you are elected does not mean that you become the whole custodians of the indigenous community ko om hairong sung voice mighty khlai lainai in the days to come sung ama salainai organizing committee busuk TTADC ni phan nakha sung amrong busung jasai khai manalainai angka jodi si omo TTADC ni program gangkai omo to officer rok se committee khainai borok invite khaina nangmani inkamo phiabo o jagao elected members rok se borok committee khai tongkha angka norok civil society sin through to rima khamo cultural activists rok no encourage khaima khamo but bibag jagao no politicians elected member rok khai gangkai what is the meaning of the state missionaries alka je exist khaimane amno kuno meaning kare society cannot be governed only with one section of people o jagao joto section ni population ni contribution by se society ran nai ke je society nini intellectual rokno borom ria nini sikrung rokno borom ria nini resabnai krung rokno borom ria nini journalist rokno borom ria nini kucu rengsireng nogo prengnai rokno nang borom ria tai nini ajagao para tonginai je wanai kereng nok tangnai kereng borno sinung borom ria gangkai nang ajagao indigenous community ni je World Indigenous Peoples Day celebrate khainai amoni ortho tamungkha mo o jagao haini elected members ro wari khailai nai mang borong mang akrani borong no glorify khaina bagi to World Indigenous India World Indigenous Day speaks to our culture folklores folk tales chini is a traditional medicine healing dai chini chamung nung bai gadalja amai khaimang gang kasi seng ngai plus grassroots participation dang nai or to grassroots participation dung dia neng om hairo ko sabu ba yes borok society ni chiefs dong no call khaika well and good but along with that nang real issues no ber khaina ba kaisa songgothon kotorma tongi tong o jagao Tripura ki civil society komung kha social media horsa na horo saka hangkan 100 200 300 borok je different unique change maker society ni je indigenous activist borno to sung tubi mano romors namnai kereng ritak nai kereng kisib wanai kereng dula wanai kereng tai tamo nengu cokam wanai kereng tupi wanai kereng wani am hairon musung tuwi mamle because that is what is indigenous knowledge guiding tangnai kereng om hairong no tini om hairogo salai kang kasi new education policy was even academic syllabus ho je chini tangmung chini chamung chini songmung chini rechabmung omaga khaikang kasi flourish nai but azaga nang sai ka politician mane joto MDCs EM MLS invited all are invited amhai bayable karon nang kaisa responsibility convener manjak nini responsibility kosto khainai joto section ni society no the best of the best no tuinai srungnani si o knowledge gap ni no gap nuginai ang nijik masai ka omo je sabno bo nung exclude khlai sabno bo nung include khlai hingke tabuk to ojo media journalist rogno azuk saya nungya khainai rang maya khainai sorkani beton bumaya mas pension bumaya tubu phanase blogs run khayo YouTube page run khainai jatini mane indigenous lifestyle tai culture no promote khai tong ka odino chung asrai rong no kisapon chung khai meya tai what is the level of school level ni students tai gen zero ni participation tini nukha I don't know it's quite doubtful ka o jaga wo haina kaisa section of the bini generation ni borok bai a circle ni tonglai pereng ma bai to amo nani kobia Piaba ang je ang wansong mani je ang simani je pori mani simani no tui nai siring tongi malia. Tamani himalat situtui nuktutui siring tong kang kai omo bo kaisa pa. Naka ang je ok kubui kok samani no je sa yang nai phan tong hang kai. Amane buini bia parangka. Piaba seng sini culture no sini community no di sana ni hingga gelet kaisa no khagui kaisa na akui omo tui ingka. Neng Anthony Debor mahai borok as internationally to tong hangkai bono kaisa kok sana ni just bo elected member singya neng bono hangkai neng ringna ni muito krikha do sung to belai junia belai tola ni borok jeng academician panangka jes panangka phiaba NIT o phrengnai Devdulal Tripura song hai tongo Professor Devdulal kal chano tui nei bo belai active university o tongo Professor Mohan Chong Hairo, tai senior tong borok Hairo no phan ngor ringi mang khamo, but did they call totally cut off. But younger generation tamanai, they want to link with the intellectual and the students because youth money to students na. Kanang oza gawo politicians rong ni makang simi naina ni bagai indigenous community palai kan kai that is a complete failure. And we need to change this mindset of je politically centric je program khaimani rok no TTAD sing thung state government thung amno belai chung encourage khaikang hang jaya because public fund public na arosogina ang thung public program public organize khainani ang thung bibak jaga no politicians hattari thung haise hayang kangkai baskang ni salo belai kotor movement ang nai omo kuno Khoroksa ব্যক্তি ni bagi samani ya the whole system of tamani erani or message everywhere hayang kangkai will be going to the dark. We need to transform our mind, we need to work for development, and we need inclusive society. A nation grows when every knowledge keeper mane MA pass BA pass knowledge keeper ya intellectual mane BA pass MA pass PhD khaisak mane knowledge keeper ya knowledge keeper hangka je parawo osai khainai je kisi wai tongnai je dol wai tongnai yangkhong wai tongnai violent wai tongnai oma hai rong ni din se tini elected representative rong ni din ya angomo tau sanai ulobu sanai same face everywhere amu saya semano je khaimani a borong stage asokja takalai bo amu asokja amu saya Ketal faces, various themes, knowledge, amos documentation lo khainani. Indigenous knowledge no spread khainani. Haike je jeng sara world jini knowledge system soginani. Phiaba jeng gangkai sapresi khailayo. Am haikele India. Society is not governed only by politics. Society is also governed by other things. So, public no ang omno sanamu suwo kubui kok sanani takiri di come up and speak for the truth. Karon sing kubui kok sawinai sing regret nani kok ya. Phiaba society no si sing contribute khainani nangnai. Buyam siapa nang kena hotabo bofan saja yang imana ba bini koizana saputra pan saja yang imana tam okosaka sajang mani saja yani amke emotional ni bepa. But je dud no dud ma hanai je hangar ma hanai keprap ma hanai ketui no ketui ma hanai. Amo ang samani karon bo sudo ani voice ya. I said this is the voice of millions of people. joto Tripurani public no omai feeling tongkha our society is tamon borok bubagrani mungno simina na lainai bubagrani okono simina lainai bono oko khaika hai khaika tai alka ko gutomo pheba amrongno sana thangya ang but bubagra tam naiba bubagra hai leader to tong Tripura raijo ba sara bharoto je genang gerei henia bigra khangal amai henia joto level baisi tongi tong eke tini bubagra si para thanginai masaya manungya joto community be tongman gangkai neng convener maybe you are elected member neng ka busuk jrani ingkha ba je Agartala centric nai only certain group of people centric khainai neng sauna bari hin sauna bari nyangka omno hli mana no bo je angkhor maya ne angkhor mana nanya social media nugi tong phaba representation on the stage je numani a program amo taisa naithogri khlaimang khamo जों हायरंनो साका खांखाय जों कन्ट्रिबिउट खायमान फियाबा नों ले तामनि बागै आमो कामनां जे यांखाबा बरनि अर्गानाइजिं कमिटिनि बिसिङनो बरनि बिसिङो कक बांलाय दङ नोंका नों प्लिज पाब्लिक फान्ड बाय सरकारनि रां बाय अम हायखाय मिसमेनेज दाखायनि हायां खांखाय we will be bound to ask you the expenditure for pie to pie o programo busuk rang sanction sorkarni mangkha da mayaba biangni collection khaika busuk amo khorja thangka omjuk sawina ang tini jotto lukuni takuk tai bukuk rokno hambaya farei ani kok orno mothageri kha